Hi guys, today I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to create trending FIFA World Cup AI images. The first method is incredibly simple. No prompts, no editing, and no design experience required. Let's get started. For this tutorial, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Method 1. Using templates. No prompts, no editing. Now launch Edimakor and click New Project. Go to AI Image Effects, and select the World Cup category. Here, you'll find a variety of FIFA World Cup themed photo templates. Simply choose the template you like, upload your photo, adjust the resolution and aspect ratio, and then click Generate. After a short wait, your World Cup poster will be created automatically. Method 2. Using AI prompts. Now let's move on to the second method. Go to AI Image Generator, then select Reference Image Mode. Edimakor provides several advanced AI image generation models, allowing you to experiment with different technologies and compare their results, all within a single platform, which makes the creative process much more convenient. For this tutorial, I'll be using the GPT Image 2 model. Next, upload your photo and paste the prompt I provided in the description into the prompt box. After that, set resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. Edimakor will automatically create a customized FIFA World Cup AI image based on your photo and prompt. Once your poster is finished, don't forget to share it on YouTube and include the Edimakor AI tag. You may even receive additional bonus credits from Edimakor. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now go download Edimakor and start creating your own trending FIFA World Cup AI images to support your favorite team. See you in the next video.